What's up, guys? In this video we're gonna do the rear bumper, the spoiler, and like a diffuser, but let's do it. Okay, what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna do the rear bumper. I'm gonna use rain gutters again. So for this one I'm gonna try to put a piece like that and then cut it like something like is going like this, from bigger to smaller, and then here I'm gonna try to make this shape, and on the back some lines like a diffuser. Okay, guys, I use a cardboard, so because I don't only have a small piece of rain gutters, so I don't want to waste my leftovers. But if you want to do this, you will need rain gutters. The big 10-foot rain gutter is like $4.50 for something. It's like $5 with tax. Okay, so this is my template. This is what I'm gonna cut on the rain gutter. So I use cardboard. So I'm gonna cut one piece like this, another piece like that, because I wanted to look the shape of the bumper. Okay. Okay, guys, that's how I cut it. I used the cardboard as a template, and then with that I cut it. I use scissors and this hand saw to cut it, but if you have an electric saw it's better. So you can see it here. This one is gonna go there, right there, and this piece, you can see it, it's gonna go here, like that. Okay, so I still have to cut a little bit here, but that's the how I'm gonna put it. Okay, and now let's screw it in. I have the screws. Okay, let me show you the screws. These are the screws that I have. These are the ones I'm gonna use to put it to the bumper. Okay, guys, that's how it looks on with the screws. So now I'm gonna do the vinyl, wrap it with vinyl. Okay, now for the rear one, I'm gonna use this leftover. So I'm gonna put 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's gonna look like a diffuser. If you can see, I don't know if you can see because the light is kinda dark. Already has a plastic here. So I'm gonna screw it to that plastic. So I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, and 4, and that's it. I'm gonna wrap it in black. Okay guys, this is how I cut it. I made 4, 2 like this and 2 the opposite way, because I'm gonna put it like this. Gonna stick. Okay, I'm gonna put it like this. And it's gonna be on the plastic under there, and it's going to be sticking up. But this one I'm gonna wrap it in black first, and then I'm gonna put them to the bumper. Okay, I already wrapped one, like you see, but only did the visible area, so it's gonna look like this. But on the bottom we didn't do it, because that's gonna be, nobody's gonna see that. Okay guys, that's how it looks. I don't know, well, looks okay. So if I don't like it, I will remove it. That's how it looks. Okay guys, that's how it looks. It's very easy. This one, I didn't make it that wide, so it's a little bit thin. For me, I think it's okay, because sometimes on the driveway the rear bumper might scratch, so smaller is better for me. And on the back part I put like a some kind of diffuser. All of them are made with rain gutters. Okay, so I'm gonna put the links on the description. It's very cheap. This one, so I didn't spend money on this one. These are the leftover, but if you don't have the rain gutters, you're gonna be spending the same thing, around $20. So for this, the whole body kit that I made, it was $60. I'm gonna put the link of the playlist of all 3 videos on the description of the video. You wanna watch how to make the front lip, the side skirts, and the rear bumper, the spoilers, is gonna be on the description of the video, and the tools and the parts too on the description of the video. Okay, let me know what you guys think of this video. If you like the video, please like the video and put in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.